bursting, looking mighty fine. Smiles buzzing louder than the morning sun. Every day's a race, and it's only just begun. As busy bees we're flying, we're never standing still. Learning every moment, climbing every hill. Buzzing in the air, we're reaching for...
Yo, Explorer, I'm Globy. First stop, Africa. You'll find elephants, lions, giraffes, and zebras roaming the savannas. Plus the Nile, the longest river in the world, flows through here. Africa, the second largest continent and home to over 1.4 billion people. That's a lot of neighbors. Fun fact, Africa has 54 countries, more than any other continent. Keeping this in mind, let's have our first quick quiz. Which African desert is the hottest in the world? A. Kalahari. B. Gobi to Sahara. To answer C. The Sahara. Next up is Asia, and she is massive. Biggest continent, most people, and home to the highest point on Earth, Mount Everest. Fun fact, over 4.7 billion people live in Asia. That's about 60% of the world's population. Time for quick quiz number 2. What's the tallest mountain in the world? Is it A, Mount Kilimanjaro, B, Mount Fuji, C, Mount Everest? And the answer is, drumroll please, Mount Everest. We now turn our attention to Europe, where history meets vibes. It's home to ancient ruins, cozy cafes, soccer mania, and so many famous cities. Fun fact, Europe is the second smallest continent, but packed with over 40 countries. Time for quick quiz number 3. What country is famous for pizza in ancient Rome? A, Spain, B, Greece, C, Italy. And the answer is Italy. North America's got range, snowy Canada, wild US cities, sunny Caribbean beaches, and ancient Mayan temples in Mexico. Fun fact: North America is the third largest continent with over 579 million people. Okay, let's have quick quiz number 4. Where's the Statue of Liberty? A. Toronto, B. New York City, or C. Havana? And of course, the beautiful lady is in New York City. Hold on to your hats because it's gonna get muy caliente. Next up, we are heading to South America. South America is where nature goes wild. From the Amazon rainforest to the Andes Mountains, this place is buzzing. We are heading back to the fun fact box. The Amazon's the largest rainforest in the world and helps produce 20% of Earth's oxygen. Quick quiz number 5. Which South American country is known for carnival and samba? A. Brazil, B. Peru, C. Argentina. And the answer is the beautiful Brazil. Oi, mate. Welcome to Australia, the only continent that's also a country, home of kangaroos, koalas, and the Great Barrier Reef. Did you know Australia is the flattest continent, and 85% of its animals are found nowhere else? Time for another quick quiz. What's Australia's famous coral ecosystem called? A. Barrier Bay, B. Great Reef, C. Great Barrier Reef. The Great Barrier Reef is the right answer. Great job, kiddos. Last but cold, it's Antarctica. This frozen land has no cities, no trees, and more penguins than people. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest continent. Some parts haven't seen rain or snow in over 2 million years. Quick quiz number 7. How many people live in Antarctica full-time? A. 1,000, B. 0, C. 10,000. The answer is 0, only visiting scientists. Phew, what a trip! Let's review. Africa, wildlife and deserts, Asia, biggest and most people, Europe. History and castles, North America. Diversity and pop culture, South America. Rainforests and rhythms, Australia. Animals and reefs, Antarctica. Cold and cool. Now it's your turn. Tag a friend who loves to travel. Hit subscribe if you learned something new today. Thanks for watching Busy Bees Kids Learning. See you soon.